In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SSL on Squarespace. Secure Sockets Layer, or SSL, is essential for protecting the data of your website visitors, ensuring all information exchanged remains private and secure. If you're ready to make the internet a safer place, let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you need to open Squarespace. Naturally, you'll want to ensure that you're logged into your account. This seems straightforward, but it's the cornerstone of ensuring you can access all the features necessary for completing this task. If you're not logged in, you'll be unable to make the changes required for SSL. Once you're in your account, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, take a look at your screen and focus on the bottom left corner. What you'll see is a menu section, and this is your gateway to navigating through different functionalities in Squarespace. Click on Settings. Doing this will open up a world of possibilities, literally everything you might need to customize and manage your website. But don't get overwhelmed. Today, our destination is specific, so let's keep our eyes focused on the mission. Under the Settings menu, you want to scroll a little to find Developer Tools. Click on this option. The Developer Tools section is specifically designed for users who want to make advanced adjustments to their site. But don't worry. Enabling SSL is straightforward and doesn't require any technical expertise. Within Developer Tools, you'll see the SSL option. Click on it confidently, as this is where the magic happens. Squarespace makes it easy for even the least tech-savvy among us to fortify our websites. It's quite empowering. When you click on SSL, you'll see some options laid out in front of you. The one we're interested in is labeled Secure Preferred. Click on this option. By doing so, you are ensuring that SSL is enabled on your site, turning on the added layer of security which is now more of a necessity than a luxury in the digital world. Enabling SSL isn't just about keeping your visitors safe, it also enhances your credibility and search engine ranking. Search engines prefer secure sites, so this step could also positively impact your website's visibility. And there you have it. By making these selections, you've enabled SSL on your Squarespace site, contributing to a safer, more trustworthy internet experience. Remember, in a world where security breaches are becoming increasingly common, SSL is a small step with a big impact. If you have any difficulties or questions during the process, rest assured that Squarespace's support team is more than capable of guiding you through. That's all for today. We've enabled SSL, fortified our websites, and taken a chunk out of cyber vulnerabilities, all in a day's work. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay secure.